Holy. I got it. I cannot believe I got it. I'm ready to take this out as soon as I get the chance. So it's currently the next morning. I just woke up not too long ago, and my voice is a little weird this morning. I guess it's because I have no idea. I went to this place last night and we were shouting, so I lost my voice. But does anybody know who Sam Elliott is? That's who I feel like I sound like. This guy. Don't know if you can see him. Yeah, he goes like, on one scene of the ranch, he goes like, you know what, I take my truck in, there ain't nothing wrong with it. They don't fix it, I don't pay them.
Bennett, I have to say, for the most part, you're in impressive health for a man your age.
You know, when I take my truck in, there's nothing wrong with it. They don't charge me.
Take these until your back pain subsides, and you should be fine in a few days.
Sounds good. I'll see you in 12 years.
Something like that. Let's start the unboxing. So right now you have the... Oh my gosh, this box is so beautiful. But there you can see the kit on the back, what all you're getting with it. I got the Fly More combo. Mainly, I was originally getting the other combo, but they said that they were out of those. So, and I couldn't wait anymore. So I got the Fly More combo, and plus, I'm gonna get to Fly More. So, and it comes like the original one doesn't come with a carrying bag. This one comes with a carrying bag. So, if only you guys can see this. I just like new tech, like when I'm opening like a new iPhone, new iPad, or like, you know, new MacBook, something like that. And it just always comes in nice packaging. Hope that doesn't sound weird. Oh my gosh, if this thing would open. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I figured it out. Okay, right now, we haven't gotten to the drone, but we've gotten the, what are these called? I think the propeller protectors. There's two of them for both sides. And here's the beautiful one. DJI Mavic Mini. This is a beautiful case. I want to do stuff to this case. There it is. There it is. Here, I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like inside of the case. So what I'm seeing is the case can't carry these with it, but you could take the battery pack, the batteries, and the remote controller, and something else. I don't know what these are. Oh, these are propellers. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, we'll put that back. Let's see what else. We have some more stuff down here. Here, I'm gonna pick this up for a second. Okay, here's the battery. So what are these? Just cords, USB-C, USB-A connectors. There's three. I didn't remember all of them, but I knew that it said USB-A, USB-C, and I was like, hey, that's what I need. And there's gotta be an SD card in here somewhere. What is this? Huh. Oh, these are the remote control sticks. Oh yeah. And there's the charger, baby. Alright, I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna go out and fly it, and I'll show you guys what I get.